In this video, I'll show you how to bet in 1xbet in Nepal. This is very simple. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional 1xbet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So if you create your OneXBet account in Nepal, all you have to do is to log in. So if you log in, this is how to bet. To bet 1xbet, all you have to do is to choose the event you want to bet on. It can be a pre-match, it can be any other event like basketball, tennis, whatever. So if you choose a football match like this one, here's how to bet. You can choose the event you want to bet on. You can bet on PSG to win. If you want to bet PSG to win, you just have to cover here and click on this one. Put in the amount that you want to bet and bet. If you're betting on Brest to win, cover here, choose this one, put in the amount you want to stake and click on bet. If you're betting for both teams to draw, all you have to do is to click on X, put in the amount you want to bet, and then click on bet. And that's how to bet on 1xbet in Nepal.